Think estate planning is just for the wealthy? Well, the fact is that just about anyone with a home or with a family can benefit from a well-drafted estate plan. An estate plan can do a lot for you and for your family when it matters most. But modern estate planning isn't just about death. It's also about important decisions that are made during your life. So what makes up a modern estate plan? Well, it's got 5 parts. It's got a will, a trust, durable power of attorney, a living will, and a healthcare proxy. But let's start with the will. Virtually every estate plan created today has some sort of a will, but by itself it has certain limitations. You see, when a person passes on, their appointed executor, usually a close family member, will have to hire a lawyer to submit that will to the probate court. Now, the probate court process can be long, it can be frustrating, and it can be expensive. But by using a trust, that process can be avoided altogether. You will act as your initial trustee, and during your life, you'll put all of your assets into the trust. As the trustee, you retain all the decision-making power, including the important decision of who will act as trustee after your death. Now, this successor trustee, he won't have to ask the probate court's permission for anything. He'll simply follow your instructions and deliver your assets to your heirs. So, what about that will? Well, at this point, the will is known as a pour-over will, and if it's used at all, it's simply to move assets into your trust. Let's say, for instance, that you inherit some property shortly before your own death. Your will would be used to pour that inheritance over into your trust. That's how the will and the trust work together to ensure that your property gets to your heirs with a minimum of hassle and expense. Well, that's the core of a modern estate plan. But I hope you'll watch our other videos on healthcare proxies, living wills, and durable powers of attorney to help fill out the picture.